The island of Sodor. Who do we have?
Percy and Emily.
Oh, okay. Thank you for separating. Alright, do you think they know what's going to happen?
No.
No? Well, what's in the middle of the track?
Water.
No, in the middle of the track.
A volcano.
Alright, can you pour... That's vinegar over there. Can you pour the vinegar in this hole right here?
For this?
Yep, in that hole right there. And be very careful. Can you do it? Oh no! Here it goes. It's starting to erupt. Do you see it? You see it erupting out of there?
But I only have a little bit left.
Here, if you want to pour it in, you can. There we go.
Percy and Emily are scared. Erupting.
Yep, there goes the bubbles over.
Oh no! A volcano and we're going around it. Because
It looks like it's soon gonna start. Uh-oh. It's getting really big there.
yeah. And it's gonna shoot out lava.
You think the dinosaur would like it? Come on, Volcano, you can do it. Oh, I think it might be rolling down one side. Nope.
It doesn't have batteries.
It doesn't?
Yeah.
Ah.
It's out of batteries.
Well, there it goes. Now it's starting to roll down the hill over there a little bit.
Emily.
See the lava going down the side? Uh-oh. Emily fell off. Well, I'll be honest, Grayson. I was expecting a little bit more of a volcano.
Well, we only have some more water left.
No, I don't think that's going to help. But go for it. But it's kind of cool down in there. Like, look at the top. Here. Yeah, bring up this up. You can see all the bubbles down in it.
Here, pour this in the hole. See if that helps.
Oh, yeah.
You got it? Maybe vinegar.
See if that does anything. Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Yes. I put that inside. Let's have some more water. We need some
Alright, let's try more vinegar. There we go. We're getting some activity here.
Emily and Percy are chugging around in a circle and they're scared of the volcano.
Let's get some more vinegar, Carrie. Just bring me over the bottle.
Pour some in. No, you poured in mine. Pour in my cup. There's some more vinegar. It's erupting.
Emily, are you scared?
Yeah.
No! Oh, she's not? She is scared?
Yeah. And Percy is. And the dinosaur is.
I don't think the dinosaur is that impressed with our volcano.
Mom, we need more flour.
No, I think that's it. I don't know. Do these things take longer?
No.
What about baking soda?
Yeah.
Huh?
I gave you baking soda. What is this?
Oh, it's supposed to be baking powder.
No, baking soda is. I mean, either one will work, but baking soda.
Emily.
Oh. Something's going. That does not look right. Ugh, that looks disgusting.
Yeah. Ugh. That looks disgusting.
Oh, there we go.
Oh. Look, it's not disgusting. Oh. Look, it's getting bigger and it's erupting. No. Yuck. Yuck.
Looks like diarrhea, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yuck. Yuck.
You want to try and eat? You want to drink it? You want
No.
to drink it? You don't want to drink it?
No.
What about you, Mr. Dinosaur? Do you want to drink it? Alright, well, I think our volcano's done.
No, it isn't. It's going down.
Oh, yeah, it's still bubbling a little bit.
Yeah, so we need some more of that.
I think we've done about all we can.
We have to get some more things.
They don't look scared at all.